doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties. Today's video takes place in our OMG room, where we cut up the doll packaging and added some furniture from one of the LOL Surprise houses to make a quick backdrop. What was that? You haven't seen this video on our channel? That's because I accidentally deleted it. So I pretty much call this my lost OMG room. Okay, now for today's video. I totally took advantage of a recent Target sale. At Target, it was buy two, get one free. This is the Fashion Show Hair Edition OMG doll, regularly priced at $34.99, but it was on sale for $24.99. And so was this one. This is the Style Edition. Then I got Miss Celebrate for free. Amazon was also having a sale. I picked up this doll for $13. This is Melrose. I also picked up Roller Chick for $12.49. Confession, I haven't really been collecting OMG lately. That's mainly because I've noticed that I don't use them a lot. But I love a lot of their fashion, like this striped top with the thumb hole, pink and blue plaid pants with lots of little faux zippers, shoes with painted details, and more fashion. Here's a little blue vest with chains, faux buttons. Check out the fringe on the side. There's a little t-shirt underneath. Loving the fan shirt. There's a hanger and a garment bag. Lots of metallic jewelry, large sunglasses, a purse with painted details, and it opens. She has undergarments or shorts underneath, so we can mix and match the different pieces and create different looks. Whoa, that's a lot of product there. And they also come with doll stands. I think I already had Roller Chick, but I couldn't find her. And I needed those shorts. She has disco ball earrings, a colorful jacket with faux silver buttons, and it says "See you later" on the back. And she has a colorful bathing suit underneath. She has large heart glasses and high socks and roller skates. What has sparked my interest in OMG again? Instagram. I've seen a couple of different dolly friends trying out their clothes on Monster High. Looks like it's time for another Does the Fit Fit? That's a no on the shoes, a yes on the earrings, and I can make it work on Roller Chick's bathing suit, as long as we don't look at the sides and the back. Cleo has some curves, so I thought she would make a good OMG fashion model. However, I do see most people using Draculaura because she is petite and curvy. This is the creep over Draculaura. Still not perfect, but workable. Plus, her hair covers the back. Roller Chick's shorts and Melrose's shirt can work for Cleo. I love the color of those shorts on Cleo. Sorry, I'm still finding tinsel. Here's the vest that came with Melrose, Roller Chick's jacket and socks. Melrose's shirt and shorts look kind of perfect on Draculaura. I'm testing out the jewelry. Some of it looks better than others. The pants are a snug fit, but totally workable. I might remove the plastic chains just because they're a little bulky, but I'm loving those suspenders. Cleo has a little more room in the pants, and it can be a little bit of a challenge trying to push them up near her calves. But overall, I am liking the compatibility. I picked up Miss Celebrate. I thought she had some good pieces, like large hoop earrings, a lace top with puff sleeves, a pleated skirt, socks. She has cute shoes too, but we know those won't fit, along with her sunglasses. But I do like the purse with the glitter details and her pink skirt, although I think it might be a little short on Cleo. Oh, she also has a little clear belt and pink undergarments that I can't seem to fit on Draculaura, and it's not long enough for Cleo. But the shirt, the skirt, and the purse all fit. Oh, and it looks great on Draculaura. And here is the big pink skirt, but I do like it better like this. Here is one of the OMG fashion hair dolls. She comes with wave curlers, crimp barrettes, a hair clip, hair accessories, mousse, and a comb and brush. There is also a styling chair with a suction cup on the bottom, bow-shaped glasses, a belt, earrings, a bracelet, a doll with long hair. It's blonde, pink, turquoise, and purple. She wears a pink shiny top with puff sleeves, plastic straps, a metallic silver choker, pink pants with the hips cut out. They are open bell bottoms at the bottom, and a pair of shoes. I was surprised, but Cleo can fit the top. The plastic straps don't lay down perfectly, but it's not terrible. Here are the pants. They come down to her ankle. It's a tighter fit on Draculaura, definitely pulling in the back a little. Since she's shorter, we have a good length on the pants. However, they are a little snug on the hips and benefit from reduced bulk. Without the bodysuit, they fit perfectly and are a nice shade of pink. Thanks for the pants, Twist Queen. La Rose also comes with a lot of pink and transforming fashion. Loving the pink and gold earrings. She comes wearing a pink top with faux fur around the neckline and bottom of the sleeves. The sleeves are see-through with a little bit of glitter. We can push them up to make them short sleeves. There's a pink and white ribbon ruffle at the bottom. She wears a metallic pink skirt with heart stitching, a white waistband, and white pom-poms. She has white and pink socks with a pink velvet ribbon at the top, white and pink shoes. The bottom of the shoe can be removed, and it looks like they turn into skates. She comes with a white and gold body form, which I think is pretty cool, and a nice addition to our room. A hat with a fuzzy rim and gold netting, pink puffy sleeve extensions that can turn into puffy leg warmers, but it is a tight fit. She comes with 2 garment bags and a shopping bag. The garment bags are made out of paper. What? Aw man, I've always enjoyed the OMG garment bags. The paper ones don't seem like they're meant to hold up like the old ones, but they still come with 2 hangers inside with outfits. In the shopping bag, we have a fuzzy little bunny bag that has an opening, a pearl necklace with a gold bow, and glasses that flip up and have a visor. The little pink shorts are so cute. They got a little faux drawstring, they're fuzzy, and they have a cute little waistband. The vest is a little large. It will probably look a little better if it is over something. Here's the pink top paired with the shorts. Here's the vest, and here's the skirt. Check out Miss Celebrate's skirt with the vest and socks. Oh wow, loving the shorts on Draculaura. I paired it with Melrose's t-shirt. It's a very comfy, chill look. This pink metallic pencil skirt with a stitched heart pattern is perfect for Draculaura. Not sure how I feel about the bubble sleeves since they do restrict her movement. Plus, I'm kind of partial to a more casual look. Here we have Twist Queen's pants and Melrose's shirt. I am loving this! So many possibilities, so many fashion choices. Now we can have a creep over Cleo. We can even get fancy. Yeah! It looks like even a few pieces from OMG Fierce work as well. Yeah. I'm having too much fun. And what is this? Monster High can fit some Rainbow High shoes? Yeah! Thank you for joining us while we had fun dressing up our dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.